Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Audi A3 wing mirror, updated. Start by folding the mirror and disconnecting the battery to avoid electrical shorts. Pry off the inner trim panel carefully to access the mounting bolts and clips. Keep track of each fastener and note their positions for reassembly. Gently unplug the wiring harness and lift the mirror assembly from the studs for inspection or replacement. Gather tools like a trim tool, small socket set, and a soft cloth before you begin. Work patiently and avoid forcing clips, as broken trim means extra cost and time. Label screws and fasteners in order to simplify reassembly and prevent confusion. Take photos as you go to ensure correct wiring and panel placement. Keep the work area clean so small parts do not get lost or damaged during the job. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control. It keeps your garage and work area tidy while you wrench. Check the description for the link and current deals, and consider it as a neat shop helper. Now let's get back to the video. Start by folding the mirror and removing the inner trim panel to expose the mounting area. Unscrew the mounting bolts while supporting the mirror to prevent it from falling. Carefully unplug the wiring harness by depressing the release tab and pulling straight out. Angle the mirror assembly away from the studs and lift it clear. Inspect the gasket and mounting studs for wear before installing a replacement or refitting the original mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.